What's up guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix this site can't be reached. For some reason I have data and I have internet connection, but I can't visit this website. This happens once in a while with some website. I don't know the reason. I have tried to copy the link and paste it in another tab, still I can't open the website. So in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix it real quick. As you can see right here, when I try opening my Yahoo Mail, it works, which means as I have an internet connection. So to fix this real quick, you have to download this software called Wrap. I'm going to put the link in the description. Install it. I've already installed it on my system. So when you launch it, it's going to go to your system tray. Go to your system tray and click on it. What I'm going to click is connect. Wait for it to connect. It's going to tell you your internet is private. Now go back to the website that's not opening and refresh. As you can see right here, it has been fixed. So this is how you fix this issue. That's all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.